In this video, everything you need to know how to change the engine oil on Mercury Villager Nissan Quest. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's get started. And first, we have to warm up the engine up to the operating temperature. As you can see, my engine is warm up. Mercury Villager, that's what I have. And under the hood, we have 3 liters VG30E V6 gasoline engine. And this is a first generation Nissan Quest Mercury Villager built between 93 and 99. Safety goggles, of course, safety is always first. And here I have oil 5W30 and an oil filter brand, of course, good filter. I don't have any problems with them, I like them. Okay, let's place our drain pan underneath to catch the used old engine oil. My engine has a valve instead of just regular drain plug. Let's take a cap off, and behind the cap we have a valve. Just press the ball in, compress the spring, and oil will come out. Guys, if this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below. Right, oil is drained completely. Let's put the cap back. Yeah, pretty nice design, pretty simple, nice and tight. All right, now let's take a filter off. Use a little channel lock pliers to break it loose, and so it's turned a little bit, I can get the rest by hand. Yeah, a little bit messy, but with our filter off. Alright, let's wipe the oil filter mounting housing, make sure it's clean, no dirt. And I always like to pre-fill the new oil filter with the fresh oil. If I can, this filter will get mounted vertically. Yeah, put a oil on a rubber o-ring like that. Good. Yeah, let's put a new filter in, and how much you tight it. When rubber o-ring touches the base, I go 3/4 1 turn. Yeah, by the way, there's a good instruction on a filter, and this filter called a spin filter design. Yeah, all right, filter is tight. Good. Now let's put a fresh engine oil, take a filler cap off, and I place the rod, make sure it won't spill any. Funnel is good to go, nice and clean. And this engine VG30E V6 takes 4.2 quarts of oil. All fluid capacities and specifications you can also find in your owner's manual. Yeah, and remember, oil is cheap, engines they're expensive, and oil is lifeblood of the engine. Yeah, easy like that. Okay, dumping the last amount of oil, going to check. Good, I have oil up to the highest mark, and now I'm going to start the engine. I'll turn the key on and pay attention for the engine oil pressure light. It's on, and I will crank it and start the engine, and it will go out. Oil pump build up oil pressure. Good, and I'm going to idle for a little bit, for a minute or so, to get oil run through and check the leaks around the filter housing. Nice, and around the one as well. Yeah, I'm going to shut it off the engine, let it sit for a few minutes for oil to settle down, then we'll check the engine oil again. Yeah, let's check the engine oil after engine sit for couple minutes. Wipe it out with a dipstick, put it in, and yeah, we have a oil level almost up to the H high mark. Good to go. And it's always a good habit to check the engine oil at least once a week. And yeah, we're good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. I appreciate it. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.